Alright you guys, just wanted to tell you guys about this Dicor tape. It's shipped and sold through Amazon. It's like $7. I've ran through at least 8 or 10 rolls of this stuff on different occasions. I've never had an issue with them whatsoever. What I do recommend though, as soon as you get it, toss it in the fridge, because that will make it so you can work with it. Makes it just so much easier to work with. Way easier. And just leave it there. I just leave mine there whenever I need to use it. Take it out and apply it, and it's good to go. Removing these RV windows is very self-explanatory. There's not much to it. Just remove all the screws from the inside, get like a potty knife or something, and go around these edges. The thing will pop right out. But anyway, after leaving your tape in the fridge for at least 24 hours, I like to do 2 strips of this stuff around the window. So I go over it twice. And as you can see, once you put it in there and squeeze it, you get a really good seal. And then I just chose to leave this here because I figure it doesn't hurt anything and it'll help protect it a little bit better. But you can get a razor blade or something and cut it and peel it off if you'd like. But this is what I like to see, because I'd rather have too much, cut off the excess, than not have enough. So I recommend doing the 2 strips of it, overlapping, so you can get this type of an effect all around, and you know it's sealed. And if you don't like the way this looks, cut it off with a razor blade real carefully. You're good to go. Hope you found this helpful.